Hi and welcome. Today we got in the mail the IPSY Glam Bag Plus box. Very excited. I've already received this month so far in August. This is August 2019. The BoxyCharm, I got the Walmart summer box, and I got an IPSY Haul summer edit box, which I'd like you guys to look out for because they were great boxes as well. I still have a few more than I'm expecting this month, but so far everything's coming right on time, so really happy about that. So let's go through what I got in here. I also always open up my box before I start filming just to make sure there's nothing broken or anything like that, and everything looks good. The only exception is I checked what was on the actual card and what was in the box, and the last item that was even in my preview. IPSY on the second day of every month gives you a preview of what you're going to get in your boxes, and it enables you to then choose add-ons which you can put into your box, and they don't charge you any shipping on this box to begin with, and they don't add any shipping if you choose to put add-ons in the box. The add-ons are a choice of 3 that you can add on to each box, this box or the $10 box. And you can get full size for $12 and sample sizes for $3. So I didn't do any of the add-ons. So my box, I don't know if that's why it came early, but we got it and I'm happy. So the one item that was supposed to be in the box that was in my preview and was on the card that isn't in the box was the SUVA Beauty Liquid Chrome Illuminating Drops in Trust Fund. But what they put in the box instead was this Pure Release product. And if you've watched some of my previous videos, I am loving this product line. And this is another item that I haven't tried yet. I've tried their watermelon gel in another box that I just received, which I haven't tried yet, is another product from Pure Release. I think it was their green tea primer moisturizer. And this one is called Blue Lotus. And it is a daily moisturizer with SPF 30 sunscreen. So really excited to get this. So their mistake ended up being a benefit for me. So really happy. So and this also, everything in this box is full size, and a lot of the items come in retail packaging as well. So really nice to get that. So let's open this guy up. And there's a safety seal, which I like. And let's just put a little bit on our hand to see it. You can smell the sunscreen. It's a white cream. Put way too much on, and that's what it looks like there. So it's definitely that you can smell the sunscreen, but it does drink right into the skin. So really nice. Okay, perfect. So that was a bonus and a win for me. All right, the next item that was in the box is from the company HAVA, Ahava. I think this is a line from Israel, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. And I've tried a couple of their products. I've tried a few of their creams and I really liked it. This I've never tried and I'm excited to because I really think this is a great brand. It's called Hydration Cream Mask, and that's what it looks like here. And there's a safety seal on here. Let's take that off. And I think that's the only seal on it. So let's just put a little bit on our hand here. It's also a white creamy consistency, and that's very thick. Wow. So this is, I think, going to be a hydrating mask, but let's read up on the card and see what it's all about. Okay, so this they're saying it's a hydration. I should have read that. Yeah, I did already. I apologize. It's a hydration cream mask. It's infused with Dead Sea water. This mineral-rich mask helps brighten and hydrate your skin while drawing out impurities. It does your sun-parched skin. Needs a little extra TLC. This rich formula also works overnight to hydrate the skin. So the tip is once or twice a week, massage onto clean skin until fully absorbed. Rinse off after 3 to 5 minutes. For extra hydration, you can wear it to sleep and then rinse it off in the morning. That's great. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this on for a little bit and see if it stays hydrated. I got another hydrating mask. God, I can't remember the name of the company now. And what was great was I never tried hydration masks before last month's box that I got one in. It's LMS, and it was fantastic. I'm so used to the clay masks that, you know, dry out all the impurities and you know, they start to crack if you wear them on too long. These hydration masks don't do that at all. So I understand why they say you can wear this overnight, which I think is amazing. So if you need extra moisture, and this I think will be fantastic. So really excited to try that. The next item that's in here is a set of eyeshadow brushes, and it's by this company, Farrah Brushes, and it says the quality brushes change the game, created by a team of beauty lovers. Farrah eye brushes feature luxe synthetic fibers to take your shady blending and cut creases to the next level. This 5-piece set is 100% vegan and cruelty-free, so you can get that feel-good glow up. Their tip is to say, and they have all the numbers, use 10F to prime, 65 EM to do the base, and they go through all the numbers, and it tells you how to finish and define. So that's nice that they give you kind of instructions on how to use it. And let's just pull these guys out. I did receive some Farrah boxes in the past. I don't recall remembering if I tried them or not yet. So I'm going to have to be more diligent this month and try to give these guys a shot. So it looks like you have your shader brush, a good concealer brush, a defining brush, a pencil brush, and an all-over blending brush. And they seem nice and soft. So I will try them out and we'll review it at the end of the month when we do the Battle of the Boxes. So that's exciting. The next item was an item that was always on my want list, and for some reason, I never ended up purchasing it, simply because I have a lot of blushes, and I also I purchased over Christmas that big blush palette from Tarte, and I'm loving it, and the Tarte blushes stay on me all day. So I have a lot of blushes, so this kind of was a want, but not really a need, so it kind of stayed in the, you know, in the wish list area. But I'm so happy to have this because it's something I really wanted. So also came in the retail pack. It is the NYX Sweet Cheeks. This has been around for a bit, but like I said, I never dived in, so very happy to have it. So it looks like a couple of them have some shimmer, and then a few of these are matte. Let's see what they have written up on here. It says, why work with one shade when you can mix, match, and layer 8? The collection of cheek colors includes neutral mattes and shimmer pinks that double as gorgeous eyeshadows. The tip is to sweep a matte blush shade onto the apples of the cheek, top it off with a shimmer shade for that glam touch, and it brings out your bone structure. So let's, I'm gonna make sure all this hydration cream is off my fingers so we can dab into this guy and then see what it's all about. So I'll do the top 4. They look like they have a little bit of shimmer in them. That's what they look like there. And let's just put it here. That's the colors there. I'm gonna do a second swipe because I don't think I gave it justice. So I'm just gonna dab in one more time and then try to put it exactly over what I just did. Okay, so the first one is very, very light. The last one seems like the color that I would like, but it seems to be, I don't know if the word is chalky, but it seems very powdery. And that's the first 4 there. So I'm just gonna use my makeup wipe and just take off what's on my fingertips, and then a cloth to dry that. Okay, and now we're gonna try the last 4. And like I said, these are all matte. So we have a coral, a wine, a mauve, and a pink. And that's what they look like there. And let's just do that on top. Yeah, and the pink one at the end also has that same powdery effect. I'm going to do the double swatch because I did that on the other one so that it's fair. And line it back up. Okay, so pretty. So looking forward to playing with those throughout the month, and then like I said, at the end of the month I will give my feedback on it, on how much I enjoyed it. I'm so happy to have this, and sometimes, like I said, it's good to wait because you never know, and these boxes have really come through for me. The last item in the box is another great item from a great company. It's the Balm. The only item that I ever purchased from the Balm was a highlighter that had the 3 sisters in it. I don't know if you guys remember this, it's a few years back, but I enjoyed that, and I literally hit pan on all 3. So the Balm, I think, is a great quality product. Their packaging is always beyond adorable. It's always, you know, Mad About Matte and all those cute names. So this is in the palm of your hand. It's Greatest Hits Volume 2. So it should have the best of everything in here, so that looks great. Let me read up on it, and then we'll open this guy up and see what it's all about, because I think we have a lot in here. All right, it says this endless, let me show you guys. It also has a full mirror, the length of the palette. So this says the endless looks of one sleek palette, from eyeshadows and blushes to bronzers and highlighters. This baby has it all and then some. We love the portability it is, so we'll be packing it for all the summer weddings, long weekends, and getaways and more. The tip, use the pink brown shade Matte Russo for perfect transition hue, swipe Bahama Mama onto the cheeks for a healthy flush, and finish with Mary Lou. Oh, that was the name of the highlighter that was in with the girls. Okay, so let's see how we can do this. I'm going to try to do it with my left hand, and then we'll take it from there. So I'm going to do the 5 shadows on the top, and then I'll do the blushes and the bronzer right after. So starting off with the brown one that's called Meet Matte, and then there's the next one is called Firm, which says it's nude, then Alice Cooper, and then Mark Russo, and then with my thumb I'm going to take the highlighter. So here we go. So that's Mary Lou, that's the brown, that's the nude. Wow, these swatch beyond beautiful. That's all the shades there. That's one shot and it still look phenomenal. Really impressed with this. This is impressive. So very happy with that. Now, I've heard of the Bahama Mama as a bronzer that back in the day everybody was using. So really happy to have this now in my collection. So I'm going to now take the Bahama Mama. The next one is called Down Boy, then Frat Boy. These names are great. And then In Stain. Okay. Those are the colors there. And then I'm going to do them right under here. Okay, these seem to have that same powdery effect that the NYX ones had. So the shadows, I think, swatched better than the blushes, but we'll know more once we play with it a little on our face during the month, and then I'll take it from there. So really excited. So another fantastic box from IPSY Glam Plus. So we got not only eyeshadows and blushes and bronzer in this, we got a full set of bronzers here. We got the brushes, which is unbelievable, which will be great to play with the eyeshadows. We got a hydration mask, and I got a daily moisturizer from Pearlise. So I am really happy. This worked out really well. Very excited to try this all. Thanks for checking in. I'm curious to know what you guys got in your boxes. If you can leave a comment below, that would be nice. And then please subscribe. It's free, as well as leave me a thumbs up if you're enjoying my content. And we'll see you in the next one. All right. Thanks for checking in. See you soon.